We have a Nissan Quest and we'll show you how to reset the oil service reminder. We'll be using these buttons right here on the side of the instrument cluster. And there's this square, remember that? The square button and the circle button. So we'll be using these two to reset the oil reminder. Okay, so we start by pressing the square button on the side here until we go to settings. Keep pressing that several times. And here we're at settings. Now to go to maintenance, you want to press the circle and then press the square to enter. Press the circle a couple of times to go to oil. Press the square to enter. Here you have two settings. One is a setting that will change how often you get reminded. So if you're using conventional oil, you might have this at 3,000. If you're using full synthetic, this might be at 7, 8, 9, or 10,000. So you can change this setting. Press circle to go to settings, then press the square to select it. Now to change this value, you press the circle several times. This goes all the way up to 18,000, but please don't set it at 18,000. You should change your oil more frequently than that. So here you might set it at 3,000, or in this case for full synthetic we're going to set it at 7,000. And to enter the value, press the square. Now you want to reset the reminder. Now we'll reset the oil reminder. In this case we have already done it, but we'll show you the procedure. So press the circle to go next, and once you highlight reset, press the square, and then once you see this menu, you can go ahead and to reset it, press the circle and then press set, and that will reset your oil reminder.